Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Shadows. In this video I'll show you how to fix missing textures and graphics glitches. In the beginning, if you encounter these problems, firstly let's go to your graphics card app. In my case it's AMD, but also you can go to NVIDIA. Select your game and disable Super Resolution or DLSS on the NVIDIA graphics card. Next, turn on the game go to menu and go to system. Enter options and now make sure the resolution is native. Frame rate target is set on minimum 60. Dynamic resolution is disabled. Upscaler type is set on automatic. And the upscaler quality is set on native. Also make sure that frame generation is turned off, but I recommend checking it on turn on. Now with all those settings, also go to scalability and in some cases make sure that VSync is also turned. This should fix the problem. If it didn't, we have to wait for Ubisoft patch and patch for our graphics cards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe.